Yes, sir. Sir, good evening, first of all. And you are very well articulated and explained in a very simplified way. I have been your student in 2017, before pre-COVID. Around 2017, I have gone through your course in Delhi in a physical class at that point of time. And basically, I tried earlier also for going through this wave theory, but due to these complications, I've never, never tried and left in between. But whatever the way you explained is really marvelous. I would say that. And एक आपसे पहले भी लोगों ने सबने बोला है कईयों ने. I will also say कि some notes can be given to us.
Yes,
And एक course suggestion है. I don't know whether this is feasible or not. If this can be because it's a very long day, and the complicated part or difficult part started second half itself. So if this
right.
can be broken up into two parts, maybe one
Okay,
this and one next week or something like that,
okay,
because we will also get some whatever material you are giving it to chew it and digest it the same itself. So it will
okay,
be good for interact there. That is
right,
there. And pricing wise, it was very reasonably priced.
right,
It can be above also, but it is very
right.
reasonably priced. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thanks a lot.